Welcome to IQ Grove Student Accommodation. Hi, I'm Mia and I live at IQ Student Accommodation, Grove Street, Edinburgh. I'm currently doing a foundation year in acting at the MJ Academy. Come on, I'm going to show you around my grove. So this is my kitchen. I've got lots of fairy lights. I've decorated my fridge with some photos. And over here is my clothes and my desk where I do my studying. This is where I usually spend most of my time. So I've got my nice coats. I love coats, so I've got these signs with some coats, and I've decorated it all with photos and fairy lights and stuff. And then over here is my bed where I sleep and my TV. So this is the social space, and it's really big. It's got games, speakers that you can plug your phone into, which is really good. And over here we've got table tennis and some study pods. So this is the cinema. It's filled with 11 seats, so it means that you can bring lots of friends over if you want to have a movie night. And it's got quite a big screen, and yeah, so I love coming here with my friends, just having a movie night, bringing popcorn, and yeah, it's lots of fun. So this is the gym. I love coming here and going on the running machines, which are over here. I often do that instead of doing a physio. And it's got lots and lots to do for fitness. So we've got some yoga balls, some weights. This is the dance studio. As you can see, it's got lots of open space. This is the outside area where you can hang out with your pals outside. Quite it's lovely in the summer actually, because just come out here, have picnic. I also like studying out here. And if you do smoke, then there's like a smoking area over here. I've thoroughly enjoyed my stay at IQ Grove Street so far. Reasons being is it's conveniently placed in Edinburgh. It's really close to Haymarket Station, which means that I can get on a train really easily and go and visit family and friends around Scotland. Grove Street has so many good facilities. I've been able to use the gym facilities to be able to get much fitter and build up my muscles. And I've been able to use the study space to help me with my educational exams.